काम नहीं है लोगों
ये बंदा मुझे कहाँ लेके आया देखो।
लोगों को काम नहीं है। पनीर पकौड़ा खाते, आलू प्याज पकौड़ा, बस पकौड़ा 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 ऑल वे पकौड़ा।
ईटिंग ऑल जंक फूड हो गया।
It's not junk food, it's healthy food, bro.
हाजमोला
It's
मिले
all
हाजमोला।
organic. It's all organic, all samosa. Organic food. Organic food. Rose. अबे
Okay, so we checked out now. I'm just waiting for Pratik, and then we will go out and to this shop. There is nearby shop to fit the carrier on my bike. चल भाई संभल के जा, कुछ हुआ तो फोन कर, ठीक है? He is leaving for Dehradun now. So finally I'm in Karol Bagh and Pratik. So I'm just fitting carrier on my Duke. So this is how it's gonna look. So once it's done, I'm gonna show you. And it's very hot.
टप रहा है,
तप रहा है.
टप रहा है।
Boiling.
पॉपकॉर्न बन रहा है। चाहिए मॉडल कितना चाहिए?
So I've got the jerrycans also for the ride. Installed this switch because my previous switch was here and it was not really nice. The quality was very cheap, so I had to change it. Now I am using the new switch. Okay, so I parked my bike somewhere in CP, Connaught Place, and now me and Pratik we are going to do my subscriber meetup. कहाँ जा रहे हैं?
लोधी गार्डन।
Lodhi Gardens.
Lodhi Gardens.
We go to the Lodhi Gardens for the subscriber meetup. It was so hot in Delhi. So I'm going for my subscribers meetup and look at the weather condition. Look at this.
साड़ी उड़ गई आंटी, साड़ी उड़ गई।
I mean, it's so windy. It's like तूफान आ गया दिल्ली में. Look at that.
Everyone is flying.
This is the best part.
के निकलवाओगे,
So-
सब पिटेंगे।
Thank you guys for coming.
Good luck, good luck.
मम्मी
We are on YouTube.
इतने लोग प्रे करते हैं, क्या होगा? So this is day 3, or should I say my day 3 is ending now. It's 11:15. I'm just waiting for Arman and Pratik and my friend Pranjal. Okay, so my bike is now ready. Bye. Thank you, Pratik. Elau. Thank you, Pranjal. Of course. So now it's 1 o'clock in the night. I just came here to meet Pranjal and he gave me his tripod because I forgot to get my tripod from Mumbai. So now we're leaving for Jammu basically. GPS auntie says that we'll reach Jammu by 10 if we leave now 1 o'clock. Okay, so now we are on NH1 and from here it's just straight. I think that's what the GPS says. Okay, we are like 35 kilometers out of Delhi and the air is leaking so fast
But we can actually hear it.
you can actually hear it. So now they are fixing it by puncture. Flat tire in the middle of the night. Thank God it happened opposite to the, going from there it happened. So now we have to go to the opposite lane and go that side. Okay, so back to the track now. We have done around 55 kilometers from Delhi and it's 2:30 in the night and so far so good except the puncture. I hope we don't face this kind of situation again. There was no screw, nothing. I don't know how come there was a puncture. Okay, so 95 kilometers out of Delhi. It's almost 3 a.m. in the night or in the morning, whatever you want to call it. 2:55 actually. And क्या हुआ? Subscribers? अरे बाप रे बाप. सागर शर्मा. अरे बाप रे यार 3 बजे वेट कर रहा है.
10 बजे से खड़ा हूँ यहाँ.
क्या बात कर रहा है. रुकी गए तो पी लेते कुछ. 100 किलोमीटर तो हो गए. So I'll park my bike over here. I'll drink something and then I'll proceed. चलो भाई. चलो भाई ध्यान रखो. चलो. Bye. So it's 3:30 in the morning. We took a half an hour break over here. 95 kilometers done from Delhi. 150 kilometers for Chandigarh. NH1 is such a treat to ride, man. Such a treat. And I'm not crossing over 120 or 130 because I'm not familiar with this road. So I don't want any kind of unexpected problem. Okay, so till now 201 kilometers from Delhi. The road is absolutely amazing. It's just amazing. I think 50 kilometers more for Chandigarh, but I think we have to stop for refueling. Although my bike is showing 3 bars, but I know I have to refuel because for every full tank it's better to refuel after 200 kilometers. 210 kilometers done and we just refueled, so we are planning to stop like after 50 kilometers. We'll take a break in Chandigarh because I'm getting a lot of messages from subscribers from Chandigarh that they want to catch up, but I doubt anyone will be waiting for me there at this time, 6 o'clock in the morning. I mean, for 5 o'clock in the morning right now. So we might reach Chandigarh by I don't know, maybe in half an hour. So I'm sure we have done around 270 kilometers from Delhi, and I think we are in Chandigarh. Most probably we are in Chandigarh. Amritsar is 188, Ludhiana is 48 kilometers. I hope this McDonald's is open. If it's open, then we're gonna have a meal over here, but doesn't look like open. मैं चालू है कि बंद है? कोई मैकडॉनल्ड्स चालू है?
8 बजे खुलेगा.
8 बजे खुलेगा. ये चंडीगढ़ किधर है? चंडीगढ़ किधर है? हाँ,
चंडीगढ़ इस साइड.
अच्छा गया पीछे? निकल गया. ठीक है.
खन्ना.
हाँ,
खन्ना सिटी आ गई. खन्ना सिटी.
okay, so basically we have crossed Chandigarh. Okay, I wanted to update for my subscribers, but so if you're from Chandigarh and if you're watching, I'm extremely sorry. I miscalculated it and I thought we are about to approach Chandigarh, but actually we have crossed Chandigarh. Shit, I'm sorry. So time to take a break for some time. Let's stop and eat something. Okay, so we are in Punjab now. This is a city called Khanna City. We have parked our bikes over here. We're gonna have some coffee or maybe anything. Look at my hands. Maybe we'll use the washroom also. Look at the roads. The roads are just absolutely amazing. Amazing, right? So as always, too early.
You will arrive at 11:11 a.m.
It's too early in the morning. They haven't cooked or made anything, so we just had 2 coffees, and now we're just stretching our bodies and then we'll leave. So dirty here. Whew. 312 kilometers more for Jammu. Look at the bloody road, man. It's just straight. NH1 rocks. I hope it rocks till the end. I don't know. Okay, so from Delhi we have done 318 kilometers. Average speed is 95 kilometers per hour because the road is smooth, even though we took so many halts. The time is 6:50 in the morning, and it's getting a little bit hot. You know, I mean, it's not very hot right now, but it's getting a little bit hot. And I'm sure after 1 hour or so I have to even remove my phone from this tank bag and keep it in my pocket, or keep it inside the tank bag, because otherwise, because of the sun, the heat, my phone will get super duper hot, and I don't want any stupid thing to happen to my phone also. So now we have done 369 kilometers. We'll refuel, and I hope this McDonald's is open so that at least we can freshen up and all that. Arey yaar, okay. Anyways, we'll refuel after that, after McDonald's. Let's see. Is it open or no? Looks like it's open, which is a good thing. Okay, so we have done like around 1900 kilometers from Mumbai, and from Delhi we have done around 300 something, 685 kilometers or 65 kilometers, I don't remember. I'll cross check while leaving. As you can clearly see, my condition is awesome. And Jammu is around 250 kilometers away. We're gonna eat something over here, maybe probably something very light meal and coffee. I hope you guys enjoying till now. I know it's kind of getting boring when you're riding continuously on that, but yeah, the NH1 is a treat for us motorcyclists and for our drivers. And we saw a couple of riders now going towards Ladakh on their bullets. We haven't seen any other bike rather than bullets, but let's see. I hope to catch up with more riders as we go along towards Ladakh. So right opposite McDonald's. That looks cool, right? We were here for like 45 minutes. We were relaxing also because we were feeling a little sleepy. So now we're feeling fresh. We refueled also. Jammu is 250 kilometers. I just hope it doesn't rain. Chalo. Okay, so from here we have to take a right. We'll continue towards NH1. Now it looks bad. Oh my god, I hope it's not raining over there, because I can see black clouds, thick black clouds over there. Now we have to take this right for Jammu. So this is National Highway number 1A. Oh, please don't rain, please don't rain, please. It has started raining. Now I don't know what should I do. Should I stop because it's drizzling? It's not raining really that heavily. Or should I continue? Now we are looking for a shade where we can even park our bikes. Band baj gayi. Okay. So now we are stuck. It's raining, cats and dogs, and we are stuck in middle of I don't know where. I hope this rain stops, because if it doesn't, then oh my god. भाई ये रुकने वाला नहीं लग रहा है। दिख रहा अंदर। अरे? So I'm standing in one corner. Because I thought here it's not raining, but it is raining over here also. I have to come that side. क्या यार, कोई आ रहा है इधर से? नहीं ना? Okay. Now it's looking very bad, and we are completely wet because we didn't got chance to wear our liners, and I have no idea what to do now. Like literally, no idea. We are thankful to this. So this is the condition now. सब कुछ निकाल के we have kept it all over. Plastic, the bandana, the gloves, socks, the shoes, everything was wet. So we are just standing under the sun so that at least we can dry off faster. Okay, so they are riding the Tiger, and even their bike is from Mumbai. Now I don't know whether they are riding from Mumbai or they decided to transport their bike, I don't know. But it's fun to see someone other than us on a good bike. Wow, how beautiful this looks, man. चल घुमा ले फंस जाएंगे वरना. This is just beautiful, man. Look at the water. Water is so clean. कश्मीर कभी एंटर करेंगे, जम्मू कभी एंटर करेंगे कि एंटर नहीं हुआ ना अभी तक घुसे ही नहीं ना. चलो ठीक है, शुक्रिया. Okay, so basically the moment we'll cross this bridge we are into J&K state. भाई Jammu enter. So basically the moment we enter J&K it started raining again. So we are entering J&K estate. So 2 more bullets. I'm sure going to Ladakh. So we are refueling over here. Jammu is exactly 50 kilometers. Everything is dry right now. Except my shoes, the inside portion of the shoes is still wet. Now there is a change of plan. We are not going to Jammu basically. There is some problem going on in Jammu. That is the reason we are not going in Jammu. Instead of that we are going to Patni Top. So we have to take this diversion way before Jammu to Patni Top. So as I said, I'm not going to Jammu. I'll be taking this route and I'll be going to Udhampur and Patni Top. Now we came from that side. And now we took this turn for Udhampur and Patni Top. We'll go straight. Weather is amazing, but it shouldn't rain. चलो ठीक है, पहुंच के मैं फोन करता हूँ, ठीक है? बाय मम्मी, बाय. Okay, I don't want to fall down. I don't want to fall down. No, 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 no. Okay. मजा आ रही कि नहीं? जा आगे जा फुटेज ले. The Michelin is working. Okay. It is slipping, and I'm so thankful that now I don't have Mezdalas. You have to really be careful with this small stones, because I've heard that it can cut through your tires. So in case you're planning to visit, then just a good information, although you really can't do anything if you go over them and it cuts your tire. So it's all about luck, I guess. Chalo, finally after Delhi my chain is a little tight now. Okay, so Patnitop is like around 50 kilometers from here. This is all the, you can see the city. Udhampur, not really Udhampur. I've crossed Udhampur, and look how beautiful the weather is. I can say that easily the temperature over here will be around 22 to 25. It's so pleasant right now. Nice cold breeze is going through my gloves, patella gloves, and my jacket, my trouser, my pants, whatever. I feel great. I have no idea how Arman is doing it. I mean, it's so tough for me also on a Duke. Now this looks so bad. I think this is very common over here. Two-wheeler rocks. Two-wheeler rocks. Let's see till when two-wheeler rocks. Oh my god. This is horrifying, man. There has been a roadblock and they are clearing it. This is the reason you should get RC, because it will look this beautiful. And that's the bhai Mumbai ka Nikhil edition. ये रिस्क लेने से काफ़ी फट रही है मेरी. Wow, we did it. Look at the view, man. Mountains, 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 mountains. And since 1 hour we are just climbing only. Although Patnitop is just 6 kilometers, but this seems to be a nice place. So let's see, we might get a room over here somewhere. So it's the end of day 4. The end of the day, my bike looks like this. So that's where our bikes are parked. Now we are going for a room. Look how green everything is, man. And this is the room what we have got. And this is the condition of a room. In this bed, Arman is going to sleep. In that bed, I'm going to sleep. Rajma, dal makhani, roti. And my favorite. बोल दे वापस.